Alright, now it is the bow mount turn. So, what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to lubricate all sliding parts again with silicone spray. And that's pretty much the shaft, this part, and this locking lever. So, to get started, I'm going to hit the small stuff. Just squirt it in there. Get this. Shoot some in there. Get this mechanism. And then for this, you just coat the shaft. You can spray in that collar, but I just load up the shaft here with this lubricant. And for those of you that have a power drive, you know how difficult it already is to put down anyways, so anything's gonna help you. Thanks for watching.